Imagine you're at a red light, and next to you pulls up a car so silent, so sharp, so futuristic that everyone around stops and stares. No engine noise, no vibration, just pure electric dominance. Now imagine that car costs less than most European luxury sedans, but offers more range, more tech, and more power. Sounds impossible? Welcome to the 2027 BYD Dynasty. This isn't just another electric sedan. This is BYD stepping into the ring and challenging giants like Tesla and traditional luxury brands head-on. And the scary part? They're not playing safe anymore. The moment you see the Dynasty, you understand it means business. The front design is aggressive yet elegant, with sleek, dragon-inspired LED headlights stretching across the face. The smooth, grille-less EV styling improves aerodynamics while giving it that ultra-modern look. Flush door handles, frameless windows, and a full-width LED light bar at the back make it look like it came straight out of 2035. Step inside, and it feels like a high-tech lounge on wheels. Soft, premium materials, ambient lighting wrapping around the cabin, and a massive rotating screen in the center, powered by BYD's latest D-Link system. Yes, the screen still rotates, but now it's faster and smarter. The digital cluster is fully customizable, and there's even an augmented reality head-up display projecting navigation directly onto the windshield. Rear passengers get serious legroom, climate control, and luxury-level comfort. Now, let's talk performance. Built on BYD's advanced EV platform with the latest Blade battery technology, the 2027 Dynasty is expected to deliver over 700 kilometers of range on a single charge in higher variants. That means long road trips without constant charging stress. Fast charging can take it from around 10% to 80% in about 20 to 25 minutes under ideal conditions. And if you go for the dual-motor all-wheel drive version, you're looking at brutal acceleration, possibly 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in under 4 seconds. Instant torque, smooth delivery, and a low center of gravity make it stable at high speeds and confident in corners. Safety is fully loaded too. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and advanced semi-autonomous highway driving features. Plus, the Blade battery is designed with enhanced safety to reduce thermal risks compared to traditional battery packs. But here's the real shocker. The price is expected to undercut many premium rivals while offering more technology and range. That's what makes the Dynasty dangerous in the global EV market. So the question is simple. Is the 2027 BYD Dynasty just another electric car, or is it the beginning of a new electric empire? If this is the future looks seriously fast, seriously smart, and seriously electric.